Hello, my lovely friends. I am so happy to welcome you back to my channel. Today, I am going to share a refreshing all-natural drink made with cucumber, apple, and lemon, infused with a touch of ginger. It is simple to make and incredibly delicious. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below so I can chat with you. I just picked this cucumber from my garden. I was absolutely amazed by its freshness, juiciness, and the tiny prickles still intact on its skin. There is nothing quite like the wonderful feeling of enjoying the fruits of your own labor. Since this recipe keeps the skins of both the cucumber and the apple to retain all their antioxidants. First, I place 1 cucumber, 1 apple, and 1 lemon into a large bowl of water. Add a pinch of salt and let them soak together for 15 minutes. This helps deep clean any dirt or bacteria accumulated during transit. Once soaked, I rinse everything one more time and place them in a basket to drain completely. Now, I take the lemon and squeeze out the juice, setting it aside. I am going to chop the lemon peel into small pieces because the peel contains natural essential oils that offer a wonderful aroma and support natural cleansing. Many of you might wonder why we keep and boil the lemon peel. Right. But this method is actually highly scientific. Dr. Berg, a very famous health expert in the United States.
Dr. Berg, a very famous health expert in the United States, once shared that the vitamin C and antioxidant content in lemon peels is actually 5 times higher than in the lemon juice itself.
I add the chopped lemon peel to a pot with 350 milliliters of water, simmering on low heat for about 7 minutes to release the essential oils. Then, I strain it through a sieve to collect the liquid and let it cool down. They help our bodies feel light and refreshed while supporting the liver's natural detoxification system. Have any of you ever tried boiling lemon peels? Let me know in the comments. While waiting for the lemon peel water to cool, let us prep the rest of the ingredients to save time. Next is the cucumber. Cucumbers are incredibly cooling, packed with vitamins and natural minerals like vitamin K and potassium, helping the body feel instant refreshment. I will chop the cucumber into small pieces. Since we are keeping the apple skin to capture all the antioxidants and pectin fiber, I just quarter the apple and carefully remove the hard core and seeds. Then, I chop it into medium-sized pieces. Apples are highly sensitive and oxidized, turning brown very quickly. Prepping the apple last allows me to move all ingredients into the blender immediately after cutting, keeping our drink a beautiful, bright green color. Finally, I prepare a small piece of fresh ginger, peel it, and chop it finely. Ginger brings a warm aroma and a cozy depth of flavor that beautifully balances the cooling nature of the cucumber. Once all the ingredients are in the blender, I pour in the cooled lemon peel water. Because this recipe includes raw apple skin and ginger fibers, I am going to blend it a bit longer than usual to ensure everything is pulverized, releasing maximum nutrients. When the mixture is perfectly smooth, I turn off the machine and open the lid. Now is the time to pour in the fresh lemon juice we prepared earlier. I close the lid and hit the pulse button for just 5 to 10 seconds to let the lemon juice incorporate, then turn it off immediately. We do this because the friction heat from the blender blades can destroy the delicate vitamin C in fresh lemon juice. Adding it at the end preserves it perfectly. Next, I pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to separate the coarse pulp, using a spoon to press firmly and extract every bit of the wholesome liquid. After straining, a layer of fine foam on the surface is completely normal, so do not worry. That is just the pectin fiber from the apple skin whipping with the air at high speed. You can skim it off with a spoon if you prefer a clear drink, or leave it as it is, since it is rich in natural nutrients that are great for your digestive system. I pour out a glass of about 200 milliliters. Add 2 teaspoons of raw honey. Stir well and enjoy. Honey adds a delicate, natural sweetness and makes it much easier to drink. The final beverage has a gorgeous greenish-yellow hue with a crisp aroma of lemon blending with the clean taste of cucumber, apple, and a cozy hint of ginger. What I love most about this drink is how incredibly refreshing and light it feels on the stomach. On hot days or when my body feels a bit sluggish, I always make a glass to drink in the morning. It instantly revives and wakes up my system. Typically, I drink about 200 milliliters in the morning, 1 hour before breakfast for optimal absorption. This is my absolute favorite time of day. to enjoy it. I pour the remaining portion into a glass jar, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator at 5 degrees Celsius, ensuring it is consumed within 3 days. Do you guys enjoy these natural, science-backed vitamin drinks? Let me know in the comments. If you love simple, wholesome recipes made from natural ingredients like this, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.